Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious lollipops using Jolly Rancher candies. It is a fun and simple project perfect for any occasion. First, gather your chosen Jolly Rancher flavors, lollipop sticks, and parchment paper. Then, preheat your oven to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. This low temperature ensures a slow, even melt for perfect lollipops every time. Next, line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Arrange 3 to 5 Jolly Rancher candies together for each lollipop, leaving about 2 inches of space between each cluster. This spacing prevents them from merging as they melt. Place the tray into your preheated oven and bake for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, or until the candies have completely melted into smooth, colorful puddles. Once the candies are fully melted, carefully remove the baking tray from the oven. Let the melted candy cool for about 1 minute. This slight cooling helps the sticks adhere better. Now, place a lollipop stick onto the center of each melted candy puddle. Gently twist the stick a quarter turn to ensure it is well coated and securely embedded in the candy, forming the lollipop shape. Finally, allow your newly formed lollipops to cool completely on the parchment paper for at least 15 minutes. They will harden as they cool, becoming firm and ready to handle. Once fully cooled, carefully peel each lollipop off the parchment paper. Now you have a batch of vibrant, delicious, and easy-to-make Jolly Rancher lollipops ready to be enjoyed by everyone.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.